Hi, everybody. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving break and you got lots of rest and you didn't eat too much. Just wanted to go over the activities for this week. So, as always, first thing you want to do is check your inbox for any messages that I may send you, and then also check announcements to see what's going on this week. So, for this week, we have a couple of things. We've got our week 5 announcements, and then we also have a Zoom link for tomorrow or Tuesday, December 1st. I've got a lot of newcomers into this class, so I am having a Zoom for those of you that are new to the class. If you have been in this class already and you already know what you're doing, don't worry about attending the Zoom. But for the new people, please make sure you attend. And to attend, all you do is click on the Zoom picture, and then it'll take you right to the link. Okay. For the rest of you, for the announcements, for week 5, we have 5 assignments. Here's a Zoom link again that I put there. But you have your push-up test, which is due by Friday. You have a Frisbee quiz and a fitness log that's due on Tuesday. And then you've got your mile run and your research project that's due on Thursday. So I'll go over all these in just a few moments. But just a reminder, I always color code everything. So purple's due Fridays, blues due on Tuesdays, greens are always due on Thursdays. Okay, and as always, if you have questions, just send me an email, click on inbox, and send me an email through Canvas if you have any questions or concerns. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get into the modules. So as you can see for week number 5, quarter 2, here's your module. Notice that the files are locked. Can't click on them. So the only way to get to them is you have to watch the video. So if you're watching this video, it will automatically unlock the module so you can get to the assignment. So once you've watched the video, you'll click next, and then you'll get to this week's activities. So first thing is how to perform the PFT push-up test. Most of you guys have already done this already, so that, it should be pretty easy. For those of you that haven't, you're going to watch the PFT video. It's not very long. It's a couple minutes long, and then it'll show you how to properly do a push-up and to complete the test. And then you're going to go to next. And basically, you're going to practice using the PFT push-up cadence that was administered by the state. So it's just going to give you like a rhythm. So it's going to just say down, up, and give you a countdown. So once you've made 2 mistakes or you can no longer do your push-ups, just remember your score, and then you're going to go to the next assignment, and you're going to just submit your assignment. So you're just going to remember how many you did, and then you're just going to click take the quiz, and you're going to just input whatever number you did. So for example, I know push-ups are hard. I didn't get very many high scores on them, but if you say you did really well, so all you're going to do is after taking the PFT push-up test, write down your push-up score here. The score should be a 1 or 2-digit number and should range between 0 to 75. So don't worry about explaining anything. You're just going to write your number. So say you did 30 push-ups. You're just going to write 30 and hit submit. Just that easy, okay? So just make sure that you're writing down anything between a 0 to 75 because the test cannot go beyond 75. Okay. Other than that, so that is the PFT score, and then we'll go to the next activity. Is for Tuesday. So, once again, you have till Friday to do this, but if you want to get it done sooner, that's fine. So then your fitness log, you have 2 assignments for Tuesday. Fitness log book number 7. And what you'll do is you are just going to work out for 30 minutes, and it's your choice of activity. It could be anything you want to do. If you don't have options, you can always use the CrossFit module that I put in this class. If you want to use another classmate's assignment that they posted in a discussion board, that's fine too. If you are currently working out with some of the sports teams, you can use those. If you want to just go out and do a 30-minute walk, run, jog, whatever, that's fine. Just make sure that you are tracking it through the fitness app, and then you just upload the photo to me. So you don't need to write down what you did. Just send me the photo so I can see the 30 minutes worth of fitness if you're running or walking. And to do that, you just click the submit assignment button, and there's 4 different ways to actually submit it to me. So you can put it in a file and then just upload the file to me. You could just write it straight on here. If you have it on a Google Drive, just put your the Google URL, or if you save it, you can just upload it straight here. Okay, so there's 4 different ways to upload it. Just make sure that you have these details here to get your full credit. Make sure you write down the date of your exercise session, what exactly you did. Be as thorough as possible. So if I were to duplicate your workout, I would know exactly how you did it and what you did. How long did the workout take you? Reminder, it should be 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, if not longer. And then the exercise intensity. So how difficult was the workout? On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being easy, 10 being difficult, rate your workout. If you're rating your workouts and they're probably like 1s or 2s, make sure you try to make them a little more strenuous, okay? Try to challenge yourself. And then in order to complete that, you're just going to fill out this box or upload your file, and then you just hit submit assignment, and you're good to go for that one. And then you guys have your quiz, which is going to be the Ultimate Frisbee quiz. So you're going to read the Ultimate Frisbee rules. You're going to take your quiz. So so after reading this, and once again, if the file doesn't open, you can always just click on the link. It'll take you there, but normally they will open. So once you've read through the information, you'll just click next. And then you'll go to the Frisbee quiz, and then you can take the quiz by clicking the blue button. And you have a 30-minute time limit to do 10 questions. Each question is worth 1 point for a total of 10 points for the assignment. So just make sure that when you do take the test, you have 30 minutes set aside to take it. Don't just click begin taking the test and then walk away, because once that 30 minutes is up, no matter what your score is, that's what's going to save. Okay, so once you've done that, those are the 2 assignments for Tuesday. And then if you go to next, it'll take you to the cardiovascular day or Metaconda day. So it's either an indoor mile, an outdoor mile, or you can do the Metaconda workout. And reminder, the video and the timer are in a separate module. I'll show you that in a minute too. But just make sure that you are putting this information in there. And you are if you're doing outdoor, you're tracking your run on your cellular device, either using Strava or Nike, and then just screenshot me the photo and submit that. If you're running inside, make sure that you have a Post-it that has the information here, along with the dashboard, that I can see your distance and your time. I need to see your name, date, and the word of the week is turkey. And then if you're doing the Metaconda workout, make sure that I get 10 minutes worth of you doing the Metaconda workout. Okay, so in order to complete this activity, you're just going to go to the top, click submit assignment. Once again, same way, either file upload, text entry where you can type in whatever, web URL, which is you can just put in if you have like a Google link, put that in. Media, if you want to do the Metaconda and you want to record it, it's easiest to record it straight from Canvas. Click on record, and it'll record straight from your computer and upload pretty easily, and I can open it without a problem. Or you can just submit your assignment through Google Drive. So you have those options. And if you're having any trouble uploading the file, just send me an email, and I can work it out with you. Okay. If you have any questions regarding any of that, please let me know. And just to show you where the Metaconda workout, the video is, it should be in the how-to video section all the way at the bottom. So the how-to video instructions are right here. So any of the instructions you need for using Strava, Nike, how to add your instructor on Nike, and here's how to complete the Metaconda workout. Here's the instructional video, and then the interval timer. So here's all that information in case you do want to do the Metaconda. It's always going to be here on the how-to video instructions. Okay, so let's go ahead and head back. So the last assignment you have for this week is going to be your discussion board. So you guys have already researched a nutritional topic. So now all you're going to do is you're just going to share that topic with your classmates, as far as share a meal. So if you did, like, for example, I use the example of the military diet. So if I researched the military diet, it's a very regimented diet that you have to stick to a strict set of meal plans for an entire day. So I went ahead and included like a day's worth of meals. You can do a whole day's worth of meals if you want, or if you just want to share one particular meal, if it's really intricate, then do so. But don't just write, eat peanut butter, eat a banana, eat this or eat that. Like, write exactly what needs to be eaten for whatever your dietary choice was. So, like, for example, if I did breakfast, I said like 1 slice of toast, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half of a grapefruit, a cup of coffee or tea. But make sure that you're putting measurements down. Don't just say, oh, eat, some spaghetti. Like, make sure that you're letting them know how many ounces, the portions, whatever that may be. Okay, so you're using whatever topic that you researched, and that's what you're going to share on the discussion board. Okay, and in order to participate in the discussion board, you're just going to click reply, and then you can just put your shared meal onto the discussion, and then just hit submit, and it'll go. And once again, you won't be able to see anybody else's discussion until you post yours. Then you can see what everyone else has shared with the group. Okay. And if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email. Let me know. If you need to meet on an individual Zoom, I always have office hours every morning from 9 to 9:50. So just send me a message and I can send you a Zoom link. But other than that, I will see most of you guys, the newcomers at least, for the Zoom tomorrow or Tuesday at 2:30. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.